Are you planning to create an electronics or gadget online store but confused about which WooCommerce theme is actually built to sell? A theme that looks premium, works perfectly on mobile, and supports multi-vendor marketplaces like Amazon? Then this video is exactly for you, because today I am reviewing the Electro WooCommerce theme. Now the question is, why is Electro theme? Electro is a powerful WooCommerce theme specially designed for electronics, gadgets, accessories, and tech products. It is built for high conversion, heavy product catalogs, and professional e-commerce stores. Whether you want to create a single vendor store or a fully multi-vendor marketplace, Electro gives you everything out of the box. One of the biggest advantages of Electro is its 20 plus ready-made professional demos. Now come to the mobile part. More than 70% of buyers shop from mobile, and Electro is fully optimized for mobile devices. It has dedicated mobile layouts, smooth navigation, fast loading, and thumb-friendly product browsing. Your store will look perfectly on desktop, tablet, and mobile as well. Electro gives you multiple header styles, predefined color schemes, and deep customization option. You don't need any coding skills. You can easily change colors, customize headers, control layouts, and adjust shop and product pages. Everything is simple and beginner friendly. For electronic stores, navigation is critical. Electro comes with a fully integrated mega menu, perfect for showing categories, subcategories, brands, featured products, just like Amazon or other big branded websites. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features. Electro fully supports Dokan, WC vendors, WCFM marketplace. This means you can build a multi-vendor marketplace where multiple sellers can register and sell products, just like Amazon or Daraz. Vendor dashboards, store pages, commissions, everything works smoothly on Electro. Electro also supports advanced product structures. If you want to sell multiple products under one main product, for example, I am going to buy this headphone, then I scroll, then I will find the similar products like the headphone case in black and the headphones USB wires, which is useful for the headphones. So if you want to sell multiple products under the one main product, Electro gives you this option. This is the same selling technique used by Amazon and other big e-commerce brands. Now, planning to sell internationally? No worries. Electro is fully multilingual ready and supports popular translation plugins. You can easily create international stores or your global brand, and you can add your local language or English and other languages as well. Perfect for global audiences. Now, if you are serious about building a professional electronics e-commerce stores or a multi-vendor marketplace, Electro is one of the biggest WooCommerce themes available. Powerful, flexible, scalable, and designed to sell more products. So if you want to buy the Electro theme, I request you to purchase it by using the link in my video description. You won't pay anything extra, but I will receive a small commission. That small support will inspire me to bring you more high quality, honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.